Xinjiang Braised lamb in naan. Ingredients: 700 grams mutton, 1 naan, oil, salt, 5 grams dark soy sauce, 1 gram peppercorn, 10 grams ginger, onion. Directions: chop the lamb. Add lamb to boil when the water is cold. Then take our fillet to use. Chop the naan to pieces. Wash the green peppers clean and chop. Shred the onion. Soak the dried red chilies and chop. Heat the pot and add some oil. Add onion to stir fry. Add mutton to stir fry. Add dark soy sauce and salt to stir fry evenly. Add dried red chilies and peppercorns to stir fry. Add water to boil with great heat. Cover the pot and turn down the heat to stew for about 40 minutes. Add green peppers and pepper powder to stir fry. Add naan to stir fry evenly. Cover the pot to stew for another 5 minutes with low heat in order to make naan absorb the soup of lamb. When all the materials are cooked, transfer to a serving plate.